Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change Gemini voice on Google app. So first of all, you have to open up your Google application. Now on your Google application's main interface, you have to first of all log into your account. Now on your account, what you have to do is that you simply have to click on your profile icon that is present at the top right corner of your screen. Now you have to scroll down and tap on settings. On your settings, you will see an option that says Gemini. So you very simply have to tap on that. Now another menu will appear in front of you. So in this menu, you have to tap on Gemini voice. Now as you can see, these are all of the options that are available for you to use as the Gemini voice on your smartphone. So for example, if you like a mid-range voice, then this one should be the perfect one for you. It's all about your vibe, and whatever you think is the best, you can easily change it. And don't worry, you can always change it back to the default one by simply selecting the first one. So everyone, that's how you can change the Gemini voice on Google application. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.